Good afternoon. This is the highest quality Porsche design wristwatch P6320 from the Citadel watch store. The bracelet is new from textiles. Clock chronometer. Quartz movement. The hands and numbers glow in the dark, luminescent paint is applied. The design of this watch is not to be confused with others. There are features of the German automobile manufacturer Porsche. Ref number 198.617. 120 meters water resistant. The case is made of high-quality M41 steel. The buttons are recessed and pleasantly tactily pressed. The transfer shaft is screwed into the body with a recess. On the back side of the cover there is a drawing of a car disc. The clock is fully functional and works well. The condition is excellent, no damage. Have a nice shopping.